stuff, so I probably shouldn't be doing this. Do a bit of braking. Guys, be sure to remember to work on your braking, because braking can save your life in the event where you need to make an emergency stop. I'm out of breath, and I'm fogging up my windscreen. Oh, we're just gonna go right now. Hey, YOLO. Anyways, buddies, we are going to a barbecue that my friend is hosting. I have drinks on my back, and oh my gosh! I'm so used to riding this thing with a passenger that riding by myself, I feel like a freaking rocket ship. Oh my gosh! Who needs a 1000 when you got a 650 and a girl to ride with? But anyways, we've got ourselves a barbecue that we're going to. I've got drinks on my back. My backpack is very heavy right now. I've got like 8 bottles in there. Oh, hey, there's a cop. Don't look at me, capo. Don't look at me. Watch her just like jump over this somehow, like bust an ollie on the cop car. Anyways, we are on our way. And we are zooming because we're late, boys! Oh my gosh, dude, I love it. This is such a beautiful day. It's such a beautiful day. I love it today. Oh my god, it's a beautiful day to do some zoomies. Beautiful day to do the zoomies. The zoomies. I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I had a lover that could hold me. What am I mixing up? Grunge with pop? Is that what I'm doing? It's been done before. Look at this view. You got mountains all over. I love this place. It's so beautiful. Dude. I'm just glad I'm able to get out and ride my bike. This dude, being able to ride is such a blessing to my life. It's just the one way that you feel free in this world. And it's like you go Speedy Gonzales a little bit, but then you slow down and you just get to appreciate everything around here. Like, don't get me wrong, speeding's fun. Doing all that sort of stuff, it's fun. But this is just like, but just getting to look out and see all the views out here. It's like, it's just so beautiful. RV park, free Wi-Fi. They got free Wi-Fi, bro. They got the free Wi-Fi here at the RV park. You know, hopefully me doing that isn't going to slosh up the drinks at all. Dragoon Creek Campground. I always thought it said Dragon. I always thought it said Dragon, but no, it says Dragoon. Dragoon. The Dragoon Lagoon. Oh man, the wind. The wind is crazy. Sun. Yeah. It's on my glasses. I use my in-helmet built sunglasses to try and keep myself from getting blinded, but instead it hit my glasses. I can't see! Taking these back off. That's bright. Putting them back on. Harley brothers be like, come on guys, I need to get going. I need to zoom. I really shouldn't do that. Especially, I've got ginger beer and Coca-Cola and my backpack. Those two things are very, very highly carbonated. I don't want them exploding in my backpack. Come on, come on, MotoGP this shit. I want to MotoGP this shit. Alright, MotoGP this shit. This is honestly really horrible. Horribly slow. Little baby wheelie. My wheelies are still not to the point where I can like just hold my balance point, but I'm getting better at them. At least the chase out wheelies. I don't like the fact that I'm doing chase out wheelies, but I'm not to the point where I'm like, oh yeah, I want to go to balance point, just rock it. I'm not to that point. This is going really slow. Come on. Be sure to use your trucker lane. Trucker lane, trucker lane, trucker lane, trucker lane, trucker lane. If he doesn't, I'm just gonna pass on the inside. Okay, it looks like he is. Is he? Yes, he is. Oh, what a good boy. Hopefully there's a cool little twisty road going up to his house, so my friend's house. So I'm wondering if I don't know if it's gonna be dirty or not, but if it's not dirty, I'm probably gonna send it a little bit at least. Doesn't look super dirty. It's so cold. It's so cold out right now. It's like my glass is fogging up like instantly, pretty much. Oh my gosh, my glasses! They fog up so quickly! Woo! And now time for the night ride. The night ride's the scary part. So you never know when something's gonna come out. I'm just gonna wibble wobble like this the entire time, pretty much. Woo! And it's cold! Cold out of which is dead! Woo! Woo! Ah, the night ride's being a hooligan! Ah, I feel the energy! Woo! And my twos made it through. Woo! 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 I am so energized right now. I don't know what it is. Probably because my tits are cold and I'm trying to keep myself warm. I'm trying to keep myself warm because fuck! I'm just gonna go full tuck. Oh gosh, my eardrums. That's the nice thing about a sport bike that you don't get with a naked bike, is if you really need to, because you're cold, you can just tuck in like this. Honestly, I'm perfectly warm right now. Anyways, guys, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can see the next time I upload. Sorry there really wasn't much on the ride home, because I was just cold. I was cold. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace out.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want